Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how we can easily fix this problem. So here you can see it when add payment method just missing in your Adsense account. So how you can fix it and why you have this error. So mostly it happened because you just have less than 100 dollars on your account, and also your balance from previous months just uh, didn't add to your balance, and you need to wait to the third date of month for adding previous months to your balance, and after you will see this button active again. So after you will add a new payment method. So you just need to have money on your balance, and after from previous months or just from several previous months, so you just need to wait. So after you will wait to the third date of month, third day of month, so you will receive your button will become active. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.